Out of the way, Dopey!
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip Off. Enjoy today's video. In this episode we take a look at the new 2022 Kawasaki Z900, which could become a US model. All will be revealed by early October. However, for the time being, Kawasaki has unveiled the Z900 SE for the European market, which now has higher spec suspension and brakes than on the original Z900. We love the current model. The SE's fully adjustable suspension, with a Ohlins shock, should enhance what is already an excellent handling machine. We'll just have to check if pricing in the United States, if the bike is offered there, reflects a comparable premium above the regular model. The popular Z900 will now be available as a SE version, which is really a hot favorite with thousands of enthusiasts throughout Europe, as well as a bestseller inside its class across several countries. Utilizing Kawasaki's already familiar spec fine-tuning policy for these flagship models, the Z900 SE aims to take an already widely respected Z900 platform towards the next level, providing improvements to ride performance, as well as refinements to ride quality and chassis feedback without taking away the essential soul which has made the machine so famous.
The introduction of a new Brembo brake kit at the front of the bike is a significant difference. Calipers now are M4.32 radial mount monoblock components working on 300mm Brembo rotors with steel braided brake lines. Riders of the Z900 SE will benefit from additional braking power, precise control, and feeling. The front forks are a 41mm inverted type having compress and recovery adjustments as well as stepless preloaded adjustment. The use of gold-colored fork tubes complements other chassis changes by contributing to the aesthetic attractiveness of the front suspension. The very same level of care and attention is shown in the rear of the bike. It now has a Ohlins S46 shock absorber with much the same design as the Z1000R version. Its single-tube aluminium body contains a large 46mm cylinder as well as inner oil and gas cylinders divided by a float piston. A remote preload adjuster is included on the Z900 SE rear suspension system for ease and quick adjustments. The adoption of the S46 from Ohlins, together with retuned front suspension settings, elevates handling and chassis responsiveness to the next level, meeting the performance demands of even the most demanding Z rider.
A focused suite of rider aids underpins these easily visible new components, all designed to offer Z900 SE riders the greatest ride possible while without masking the fundamental appeal of such a visceral supernaked bike. Selectable power modes, an assist and slipper clutch, and KTRC traction control are all included in the specification. The exhaust tone has been sound-tuned by KHI experts, and there is a helpful economical riding indicator as part of the meter assembly, as well as the possibility to connect the machine to the rider's smartphone via Kawasaki's proprietary Rideology app. The integration of several machine details plus information from rides taken and a variety of other options. The new Z900 SE, which comes in a single, unique colorway of metallic spark black, candy lime green, is expected to win over a lot of riders in the next year. The Z900 SE will be available in December 2021, with a UK starting price of £10,749 for the standard model and £11,699 for the performance edition. Sounds like a good bike for getting the wind in your hair. Thanks for being with us today. I'm sure we have another bike review coming up very soon for our biker fans. I'll have to put my foot down with a firm hand with Carl. Wish me luck, guys. That's a joke, by the way, guys. He's a big softie when it comes to pleasing me. Catch up tomorrow. Cheers for now.